Anyway, so let me give you an update on what happened with Colourpop. And most likely next week I will use my Colourpop because my friend gave me a gift and I want to use it. So I did email them back the next day after I did my video. And again, I said, look, I told the first girl, I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the person who told me that they looked into my account. And I said, you know what? I don't know. She gave me the same generic letter. And I said, look, I want to speak to a supervisor. This is my phone number. You can call me or just email, put me through to a supervisor because this is absolutely ridiculous. I want to talk to them about my account. You know what, that girl? She emails me back saying, I'm sorry, we can't discuss that with you. You can't discuss my own account with me? So anyway, I have it on my to-do list for tomorrow because last week I was just doing stuff here and there that needed to get done. So tomorrow I will be not only going to the Better Business Bureau, but let me tell you, they are so stupid. They sent me an email 2 days ago asking me if I could please review them on a specific website. Okay. So I'm going to be doing that and make a couple other phone calls I need to make tomorrow. But today is my video day. So that's that with that.